Hello students, today we are going to learn about fractions related to sets in lesson number 10 fractions. Fractions related to sets. In this picture there is a set of 4 candles. It has been divided into 2 equal parts and one part has been colored. Students, here 4 candles are there. If we divided them into 2 equal parts, each part we will get 2 candles. From these 2 parts, if we colored one part, means we will color 2 candles. That is, half a part has been colored, half of 4 is 2. Same way, this is the set of 8 marbles. It has been divided into 4 equal parts. One of the part is colored. Students, here we have total 8 marbles. If we are dividing these 8 marbles into 4 equal parts, each part we will get 2 marbles. From these 4 parts, if we color one part, that is, a 1/4 part has been colored. This means 1/4 of 8 is 2. So, 1/4 of 8 marble is, we get here 2 marbles. This is the set of 12 balls which has been divided into 4 equal parts. 3 parts are colored. Now students, here we are having 12 balls. Now these 12 balls has been divided into 4 equal parts. So 12 divided by 4, we will get the answer 3. So 3 balls in each part. From these 4 parts, if we color 3 parts, that is 1, 2 and 3. 3 parts are colored and this one part is not colored. That means, it means that a 3/4 part is colored. 3/4 of 12 is 9. So, here 12 balls are there and if we divide it into 4 equal parts, from that if we color 3 parts, that means 3/4 parts. So 3/4 of 12 we get 9. That is 9 balls we got. This is a set of 6 pencils which has been divided into 6 equal parts. Each pencil has only one pencil. So students, here we are having 6 pencils. If we divide 6 by 6, that is 6 divided by 6, we get the answer 1. So, if we make 6 parts of this 6 pencil, we will get 1 pencil in each part. Five parts are shaded, showing that 5 upon 6 of 6 is 5. So, Here 5 parts are shaded, 5 parts are colored and one pencil is not colored. So to show the shaded part, we got the fraction 5 upon 6. Students, now we will solve one exercise. Circle a portion of the set equal to the given fraction. So here is a table. In one column, fractions are given and we have to circle these objects according to the given fraction. We have to make the set of these objects and circle according to the given fraction. So here 2 apples are there and fraction is half, 1 upon 2. Students, we have learned before also that denominator means the number which is below the line. It indicates the number of parts, and the number which is above the line, that is numerator, it indicates the number of parts taken from the whole. So here 2 is the number of part, that is denominator. It shows us number of part of the object. So here 2 apples are there. Now we have to make 2 parts. So we got 2 parts and from that 2 parts we have to circle half. So we will circle 1 apple. So from these 2 apple we have circled half part to show the fraction half. Now next is 2 upon 3 means 3 parts we have to make, and from the 3 parts we have to take means we have to circle 2 parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves are there. From these 6 leaves we have to divide these 6 leaves into 3 parts. So 6 divided by 3 we will get 2. So 2 leaves in each part. Now as it is given in denominator 3, we have made these leaves into 3 parts. From these 3 parts we will take, that means we will circle 2 parts. So we have circled 2 parts from the given 3 parts. Now here fraction is 3 upon 4. So from the given object 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From these 8 balls, we have to make these 8 balls into 4 equal parts. So 8 divided by 4, we will get 2 balls in each part. From these 4 parts, now we have got 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. From these 4 parts, we will circle 3 parts. So we got the answer this way. Now 2 upon 4, and here pair is 4. So we have to make 4 parts. So we will divide 4 by 4. We will get 1 pair in each part. From this we have to circle 2 parts. So we will circle 2 parts from these 4 parts. It is also called half part. Now 1 upon 5. So here stars are given. First we will count how many stars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 divided by 5. We will get answer 2. So 2 stars in each part. And from this 5 parts, we have to circle only one part. So we will circle one part. Now, next is 3 upon 5. And here ice creams are also 5. So 5 divided by 5, we get the answer 1. So 1 ice cream cone in each part. From this, we have to circle 3 parts. So we will circle 3 parts. So students, you must have now understood how to make fraction related to sets. Thank you.